In today's video, I'm going to teach you WireGuard versus Cloudflare Tunnel. Let's break down what each tool does, why you might choose one over the other, and what trade-offs to expect so you can make a confident decision for your setup. WireGuard is a modern, lightweight VPN that creates a direct, encrypted connection between devices. Think of it as building your own private lane on the internet between your phone, laptop, or servers. Because it's peer-to-peer, you keep full control of your network traffic, enjoy excellent speed, and benefit from strong privacy since data flows directly between endpoints. The flip side is that you handle the setup yourself. You'll generate keys, define which device can talk to which, and manage configurations for each peer. That effort pays off when you need full private network access, low latency, and consistent performance across many services, like remote access to home lab resources, site-to-site links, or bandwidth-heavy tasks. Cloudflare Tunnel works very differently. Instead of connecting devices to an entire private network, it securely exposes a specific local service, like a web dashboard or API, to the internet without opening any ports on your router. Your server dials out to Cloudflare, and Cloudflare provides the public-facing address. This is simpler to get running, and it adds a protective middle layer that helps shield your origin from direct attacks, bots, and scanning. It's especially handy when your ISP blocks inbound traffic, you're behind strict NAT, or you want to publish a single service quickly with strong safeguards. The trade-off is reliance on Cloudflare's infrastructure and policies, plus less flexibility compared to a full VPN. You're not bridging whole networks, you're securely sharing selected services. Performance-wise, WireGuard often wins for raw speed and low overhead because traffic goes straight between peers. Cloudflare Tunnel adds an extra hop through the Cloudflare edge, which is great for web access and security features, but not ideal for high-throughput private networking. From a privacy perspective, WireGuard keeps traffic strictly between your devices, while Cloudflare terminates connections at its edge before forwarding them to your origin, which enables powerful protection, but means you're trusting a third-party layer. So here's the simple takeaway. Choose WireGuard when you want full private network access, maximum control, and top-tier performance between your own devices. Choose Cloudflare Tunnel when you want quick, secure exposure of a web-accessible service without port forwarding, plus robust protection at the edge. Whichever you pick, match the tool to the job. WireGuard for private networks and speed, Cloudflare Tunnel for simplicity and safe service publishing.